The carbon offset company, Compensate Operations, founded by former Finnish Member of Parliament Mr. Antero Vartia, has filed for bankruptcy.
Mun nimi on tosissaan Antero Vartia ja mä oon entinen kansanedustaja.
The application was submitted to the Helsinki District Court on Friday, July 14 of 2023. The company had been seeking €10 million in funding, but was unable to secure the necessary amount from the market. Vartia currently has no plans for what he will do following Compensate's bankruptcy. He revealed the situation of the company in an interview with Helsingin Sanomat newspaper last April, suggesting that bankruptcy seemed inevitable even then. As a result, the company had laid off over 20 employees. Vartia noted that the company tried to fulfill its obligations by letting employees go in a timely manner to cover wages, taxes, and carbon offset payments. Compensate Operations was founded in 2019 and has faced many challenges since its inception. It had initially been investigated by the police due to a legal interpretation that carbon offset providers needed a fundraising permit, which cannot be granted to companies in Finland. This issue was resolved in October 2021 when the Finnish Parliament approved a law change that selling carbon offsets does not require a fundraising license. In the last business year, 2022, the company had a turnover of €2.8 million with €1.8 million loss. In the first quarter of this year, turnover was around €1 million. Despite the bankruptcy, the company had been successful in acquiring clients, such as the British Economic Journal, The Economist, and had achieved the American Climate Neutral certificate. Mr. Nicholas Kaskila, the company's Director of Responsibility, also revealed that due to Compensate services, the London School of Economics had become Britain's first carbon-neutral university. However, obtaining continued financing proved to be an obstacle for the company. In 2019, it had secured a €7 million capital loan from Finnish government agency, Business Finland, which Mr. Vartia believes may have contributed to the company's current predicament. The bankruptcy of Compensate Operations and the potential loss of the €7 million capital loan given by Business Finland have raised some questions about the due diligence and oversight exercised by the administrators of Business Finland. Despite Compensate's commitment to full transparency in all transactions, critics note that there is no concrete information available on the company's website. As Antero Vartia, the company's founder, was a former member of parliament in Finland, questions arise about potential political connections in obtaining the loan and the lack of thorough scrutiny by Business Finland. The issue calls into question the approval and monitoring mechanisms of public loans, especially for companies led by former or current political figures. The financial accountability of Compensate Operations has now come under increased scrutiny. It is crucial for the public and creditors, including Business Finland, to understand where the funds were deployed and how the company ended up in its current financial predicament despite significant public financing. As of now, Business Finland has yet to disclose whether there will be an investigation into the loan given to Compensate Operations, its use, and the company's subsequent bankruptcy. The public will be closely watching the case as it unfolds, seeking answers about the integrity of Business Finland's loan distribution and oversight mechanisms, and the transparency of the carbon offset company's operations.